Hi, can I have just 60 seconds of your time to introduce you to the Royalty MasterCard series? Go ahead, start your clock. Looking for a card with lots of perks for personal or business use? Look no further. The Royalty MasterCard Platinum, World, and World Elite cards will surely give you the prestige that you want and deserve, whether dining, traveling, or shopping for that special occasion. Our friendly credit experts are waiting to help you submit your application for the card that best fits your lifestyle, credit, and financial goals. To receive this elite card, just call 1 800 443 6208. Or if you feel you would like to submit your application without the help of our credit consultants, simply visit us at www.royaltycard.credit and apply. A representative will call you within 24 to 48 hours with your approval status. So, what are you waiting for? Get going. The Royalty Platinum, World, and World Elite MasterCards are expecting you because you are royalty. By the way, thanks for your time.